My visit to raw water treatment plant. In this video, I will share with you what I learned during my visit. The plant is located in Haiderpur area of New Delhi. I visited the plant on 1st February 2022. The Haiderpur plant is the Asia's second largest raw water treatment plant. The plant is further divided into two plants. Each plant performs the same function. Now let's look into how is raw water treated before it is supplied to our homes. Phase 1. Raw water pumping. Each plant takes 110 million gallons of water per day. Because there are two plants, this means that total water taken every day is 220 million gallons. Each plant also wastes about 10 million gallons water per day because the sediments and the wasted in the water will also be expelled out with some water only. So we assume that this wastewater is about 10 million gallons per day. Once the tanks are filled with the water needs to be transported to other areas. For this we have water pumps. The water pumps exert pressure on the water so that it can be moved forward. We use the pumps when we cannot transport water using the gravitational force of the earth. Phase 2. Chlorination. Chlorine is antibacterial in nature and thus is used to disinfect water. It also improves the color of the water. If the raw water is greyish in color, addition of chlorine will turn its color to transparent. Chlorine is present as gas in these yellow cylinders. Each cylinder is having the capacity of 100 kgs. After the chlorination, alum or PAC is added to water for proper sedimentation. Alum and PAC load the sediments or heavier particles in the water and make them settle down at the bottom quickly. Sometimes both substances are also added to water. Phase 3. In this stage, water enters clariflocculator. First, let us know about its structure. Clariflocculator is divided into two parts, inner circle and outer circle. Outer circle is also known as flocculator. The central rotating part inside the inner circle is known as clarifier. Clarifier is responsible for the movement of water in clariflocculator. Combined, clarifier and flocculator give the name clariflocculator. Here, alum or PAC, whichever is added, is properly mixed with the water and the water is allowed to rest for sedimentation. A long part emerging from the inner circle and reaching till the boundary of the clariflocculator is known as bridge. It is used to remove the sediments which settle at the bottom with help of a blade. Phase 4. From the clariflocculator, the water enters for gravity filtration. Here again sedimentation of water is done and water is divided into layers of gravel, sand, etc. and the pure water at the top. Big control systems are also there for proper cleaning of these filtration tanks. In this tank, both filtration tanks and cleaning systems are shown. Chlorination of water again occurs after the process of filtration and before it is supplied to our homes. Now let us recap what all we have learned till now. First, chlorination of raw water is done. Then, alum or PAC is mixed with water for proper sedimentation. Then the water enters the clariflocculator, where it is properly mixed with alum or PAC and is allowed to rest for sedimentation. And then water is filtered through the gravity and the pure water which is the top layer, is again disinfected by the addition of chlorine. Then the water is ready to be supplied to our homes.
This is the miniature of the Haiderpur plant.
Nowadays, technology for raw water treatment has improved. It may be different from what our textbooks say because sometimes textbooks are not updated. This is what I learned during my visit, and I hope you too will do some research work and explore more and go beyond the boundaries of our textbooks. Hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel.